Hello dear friends, today I am drawing a cute fair using letter C. At first I am drawing the letter C. Now I am drawing its eye using letter O. Our eye is complete. Now I am drawing its hair. Draw to curved line, and now I am drawing its hair using the curved line. Very carefully draw to line and connect the line, curved line. Draw letter V. Draw to curved line, and now I am drawing its body using curved line and draw its tail very easily. So dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. If you are new viewers in our Facebook page, please follow our Facebook page. So dear friends, now I am coloring this picture.